Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Libra, pauna mensahe po ninyo, Hermit Energy. So, maybe kailangan ninyo ngayon na muni-muni. You need to go deep within you. Kailangan ninyo na mag-meditate dito, no? At because there is something dito na importanteng malaman ninyo from deep within you. Maybe you are seeking for answers, no? At hindi ninyo ito mahanap sa outside world ninyo. At mahahanap nyo lang ito from deep within you. You just need to connect with your higher self, no? Tap into your soul and you will be able to find the light that you are seeking. You'll be able to find the clarity, the enlightenment, the answer that you are seeking. Okay? What else? We have 8 of Cups. Ayan. So, this is a new beginning energy, no, Libra? Kasi you're going to walk away from something dito and you're heading towards a new direction. So, kasama kayo doon, dito papunta, doon kayo magsisimula ng bagong buhay. You're going to start a new cycle in your life. At kung saan kayo dito manggagaling, this is a situation na it doesn't serve your highest good anymore. Hindi na kayo dito masaya. Hindi na kayo rito, hindi na maayos dito ang lagay ninyo. No? Yung parang stagnant energy na itong bumabalot sa inyo rito, Libra. Kaya, you know, na kung saan kayo papunta, magiging maganda ang kalagayan ninyo, magiging maganda ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? You're heading towards happiness. 3 of Pentacles is this is the beginning of your success. Okay? Ito na yung simula ng inyong tagumpay. With the help of other people, magiging mabilis ang pag-akyat mo rito sa inyong tagumpay. This is collaboration, teamwork, siguro partnership in business, in a project, or kung ano pa man, merong tutulong sa inyo dito, merong makikipag-partner sa inyo rito. And magiging beneficial din yan for both of you, no, na sitwasyon. We have, oh wow, so we have 3, kasi 3 of Pentacles ito, number 3 din si Empress. So that is synchronicity, Libra. Okay? So, meron tayong 3, and that becomes number 33, which is a master number. So, I suggest you please look up for the meaning of master number 33 for more guidance. Okay? This is a creation energy, no? And this is a very abundant and prosperous energy. Kaya, most likely, meron ditong sisimulan kayong trabaho, bagong trabaho siguro, bagong negosyo, bagong investment, bagong career, no, na maghahatid or magdadala sa inyo ng kasaganaan, maghahatid sa inyo ng prosperity and abundance, no? At baka meron din mga offer, no, of bagong money path dito. At since this is also a mother archetype, baka ang iba sa inyo rito, baka isa ng nanay or magiging nanay na, no? Yung ganon. So, good luck to that. So, we have impasse, reflect, and redirect your energy. Ayan, kailangan nyo talaga na mag-solitude kayo. Sa ngayon, Hermit energy is inviting you to do so because you need to reflect and redirect your energy. No? Kasi maaaring kung ano man yung ginagawa ninyo sa ngayon, maaaring that is not the thing na kailangan mo pag-focusan sa ngayon. So, magmuni-muni ka, magnilay-nilay ka, ask for enlightenment, ask for clear direction, ask for guidance, no? And you will be sent the answer at ma-figure out ninyo yan, no? Na ang sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon, hindi ito ang best para sa'yo. So, you need to change your direction. Support is all around you. Ayan, support. So, definitely, meron talagang meron tutulong sa inyo rito sa kahit anuman ang inyong sitwasyon. Ano? Alalahanin nyo, no, na kapag kailangan ninyo ng tulong, you can always ask for help from other people. Wag din yung isipin na kayo lang dapat, no, ang gumawa ng kung ano man ito. You don't have to carry all the burden. You don't have to do it all, okay? Always remember na kung nahihirapan na kayo, kung sa tingin ninyo, kung meron lang kayong kasama, meron lang kayong katulong, it will be easier than ask for help. Okay, Libra? Lahat tayo entitled to ask for help. Ascending the mountain, keep going forward. Okay, huwag kayong sumuko. Keep going forward. At kung meron man mga obstacle dito na ma-encounter kayo along your journey, that is not a reason para mag-give up kayo. That is not a reason para sumuko kayo. Okay? Continue on, keep going forward, ask for guidance, no? At rest assured, no, natutulungan kayo ng universe. Rest assured, natutulungan kayo ng inyong mga angels. Friendship, fairies and humans alike need friends. Now is the time to seek out those who will support and encourage you in your journey to fulfill your dreams. Ayan na nga, Libra. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. You have friends, no, dito that you are that you can count on. Alright? Meron din kayong madidiscover din dito na mga kaibigan din na maaaring hindi rin supportive of you. So, it feels like to me na dito ninyo makikita sa inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon kung sino yung mga totoo ninyong kaibigan. Merong mga taong lalapit, merong mga lalapitan kayong tinuring ninyong kaibigan na maaaring i-reject kayo. At meron mga kahit hindi ninyo hingian ng tulong, alam nila na kailangan mo ng tulong. Kaya nandiyan sila, no? What else? We have magical blessings. Whatever you're going through, you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. Ayan. So, maraming biyaya ang paparating sa inyo, Libra, no? Maraming blessings ang paparating. Isa na dyan yung blessing of a very supportive friend, no? Or supportive friends. So, what else? New beginnings. Ayan, so new beginning energy. So, taas ito new beginning. So, marami talaga, no, ang mga pagbabagong magaganap sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, Libra. So, good luck to that. Kasi, iba't iba yan. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Maaring ang iba sa inyo is going to welcome a new baby. May baby dito. So, since meron din tayong mother archetype, so, most likely, ang iba sa inyo buntes at manganganak. Maaring ganon, ano. This could also be a new beginning in a friendship, new beginning ng pagsisimula kayo ng bagong negosyo, bagong trabaho, bagong career path, no, yung mga ganon. So, maraming pagbabago ang magaganap. Good luck and thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.